Scotland is famous for castles. Scotland is famous for scenery. Scotland is famous for knitwear. Scotland is famous for golf. Scotland is famous for Scotch. And Scotland is famous for craftsmanship. Here, Alexander Graham Bell first reproduced sound by electrical means. Within days, Thomas Edison recorded sound in the USA, and the ensuing collaboration of Edison-Bell is known to all. Today, Harman International sustains the highly successful tradition of blending Scottish and American skills in this new purpose-built loudspeaker manufacturing unit between Edinburgh and Glasgow. But before we take a look inside, let's go to the Tannoy Research and Development Centre in the heart of the English countryside. Here, one of the finest design teams in the world continues the refinement of sound reproduction by the dual concentric system, pioneered by Tannoy engineers 3 generations ago. In developing Tannoy reproducers to the concert performance of the fabulous new Buckingham, today's talented designers have retained their integrity by improving, for example, phase coherence, power handling capability, even lower distortion levels, and revealing a new experience in stereo imagery. Tannoy, as part of Harman International, is an equal opportunity employer, and its employees enjoy mutual benefits and share common aims. The Work Improvement Committee meets regularly to discuss ways of maintaining the high morale and making working life satisfying and rewarding. Today, it is being chaired by Ian Hanna.
Evenings that we're doing night shift or every day? What happens so that if we, as is the case, we have to change our schedule? How would this affect you? Would you have enough room in your work area?
This is Mary Weir, a consultant sociologist. Mary is not an employee of Tannoy, so is free to exercise her judgment without fear or favour. All this adds up to a workforce that cares about Tannoy, that cares about the quality and continuing supply of the products you sell. Now let's take a look at the driving units being made. Some component parts are made in-house, Others are imported from the finest specialist producers in Europe. It is here that Tannoy derives the benefit of skills inherited through generations. And it is here that you, the people who will market the wonderful new Buckingham, can derive the confidence in the excellence of this reproducer. The assembly methods are taught by Ian Hanna and just 2 inspectors. Learning is a continuous process, individual skills being passed from one trained person to another. Each person is moved from one process to another until he or she has mastered a range of operations to perfection. Your Tannoy drive unit is not made by bored workhorses, but by enthusiastic technicians. And these people don't need inspectors breathing down their necks, for at the end of every operation they ask themselves, am I satisfied with the quality? And if the answer is negative, the item is rejected. If you were to copy the exact dimensions of a Stradivarius violin and piece it together with meticulous care, well, you know, of course, it wouldn't sound anything like a Strad. In the very same way, although Tannoy engineers have designed the Buckingham on brilliantly conceived scientific principles, it remains for the English master cabinet makers to add that indefinable quality which will make for the ultimate listening experience. Ladies and gentlemen, we give you the Buckingham by Tannoy. Tannoy, the best of our history is yet to come.